Irfan, letak yang first background punya tu.
Yang first background.
Dah lepas ni.
Yang ni?
Selepas content.
Lepas konten.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. Hi, my name is Sudharmadi. Today I will present about the background of the pods we choose for final project. So the first pod is Klong Toy Pod. Bangkok Modern Terminal is a thriving seaport in Klong Toy that is overseen by the Port Authority of Thailand, and the terminal is a prime example of effectiveness and accessibility of as a first point of entry. Second,
Okay, so hello guys, my name is Yunren, and today I'm going to talk about the Kyong Toi service provide. Kyong Toi port has container terminals equipped with modern containers handling equipment. It offers service for loading, unloading, and storage for containers. The port handles various types of general cargo, including break bulk cargo and dry bulk cargo. It provides facilities for the efficient handling and storage of goods. Kyolang Port as a warehouse for the temporary storage of cargo. These facilities are used for consolidation, declaration, and short-term storage of goods. The port has custom clearance facilities to ensure compliance with customers' regulations and facilities the smooth movement of goods in out of the country. Kyolang Port Office roll-on or roll-off service for vehicles and other wheeled cargo. This enables efficient loading and unloading of vehicles onto specialized vessels. So next.
So, hi everyone. My name is Mohammadani from Skillfree, and now I will explain about the technology and facilities about Klong Toy Port. So, first of all, it employs various automated systems for cargo handling, includes container cranes, automated guided vehicles, and container yard management system that efficiently move cargo from ships to storage areas and vice versa. They also have advanced software manage ops operations, coordinate vessel schedules, cargo movement, and optimize the use of equipment and labor. Other than that, they also implement the radio frequency identification, which is RFID, and other tracking technologies that might be used for efficient inventory management and real-time tracking of cargo enhance the security and visibility. They also focus on terminal accommodated containers of various sizes, handling both import and export cargo, which prefer to have specialized areas for refrigerated containers and hazardous goods. And also, it has features like berths and crates where vessels dock for loading and unloading. Also equipped with necessary infrastructures such as cranes, polars, and mooring equipment. Plus, they also have storage facilities for boats, which is focused on short-term and long-term storage of cargo awaiting transportation. Plus, their facilities might have separated control areas for perishable goods. So for the next presenter.
Hi guys, my name is Kavilashni Ravi. So today I'll explain about the challenges that Klong Toy Port are facing. Firstly, they are facing congestion arising from high traffic, which is congestion within seaports and all encompassing pre-Mandan that emanates from the caseless expansion of global trade, and also leading to an ever-growing demand for maritime transportation services. So this challenge becomes particularly pronounced in prominent ports such as Klong Toi Port in Bangkok, where the flourishing economic activities in the region have yielded a surge in shipping traffic. Thank you.
Okay, so the future of Klong Toi Port in shipping depends on its adaptability to technology's advancement, commitment to sustainability, responsive to economic trends, and seamless integration into the evolving global logistic landscape. And the first one, infrastructure development. Ongoing investment in port infrastructure are crucial to handle increasing cargo volumes efficiently. And improvement in terminal storage facilities and transportation links contribute to the port's competitiveness. Second, digitalization and automation. Embracing technologies such as digital platforms and automation can enhance operational efficiency. Smart port solutions, data analytics, and real-time tracking system may become integral to streamline process. And we go on with the environmental sustainability. Ports worldwide are increasingly focusing on sustainability. Bangkok Port may need to adopt eco-friendly practices such as green energy solutions and emission reduction strategies to align with global environmental standards. And the fourth, trade agreements and economic trends. The port's future is linked into regional and global economic trends. Then the fifth is logistic integration. As the logistic industry evolves, greater integration between various modes of transportation and logistic services. In essential, Bangkok Port's ability to collaborate with stakeholders and offer comprehensive logistic solutions can contribute to its success. Next.
So the second port we choose for our final project is Klang Port. The primary seaport for entering Malaysia is the town of Port Klang, situated in Klang district, and the port deals with more than 500 ports worldwide and has economic ties with more than 120 nations. Second.
Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the Port Klang service provider. Port Klang is well known for its container handling service. It has dedicated for container terminal equipped with modern infrastructure and equipment to handle containers efficiently. The port has facilities for handling and storage of liquid bulk cargo, including petroleum products, chemicals, and liquefied natural gas. It provides specialized breath and storage tanks for these commodities. The port provides service for the handling of break bulk cargo, which includes goods that are not transported in containers. These goods are typically loaded and unloaded individually or in smaller units. Port Klang offers warehousing and logistics service to support the storage, distribution, and value-added service for various types of cargoes. Port Klang service as a major transshipment hub in the region connecting various shipment routes. It offers service for the transshipment of cargo, enabling efficient transfers between different vessels. Okay, that's all from me. Next.
Okay, for the next port, which is Port Klang, it will be focused on technology and facilities, which means that Port Klang employs cutting-edge technology for cargo handling, which includes automated cranes and conveyor system to efficiently move cargo between ships, terminals, and storage areas. And also basically it will be utilizes smart technologies such as Internet of Things, devices, sensors, and data analytics to enhance the real-time monitoring, optimize traffic flow within the port, and improve the overall port management. Port Cloud might have implemented eco-friendly technology and practices such as shore power for truck vessels, solar power generations, and energy efficient equipment. Port Cloud boasts multiple container terminals equipped to handle various types and sizes of containers, facilitate for both import and export, which the terminals are likely equipped equipped with specialized facilities for specific cargo requirements. Pro- and also provides the extensive storage facilities for temporary and long-term storage of cargo, which might include the specialized areas for perishable goods and high-value items. For the next, part, for the next.
So the next one will be challenges that local port, which is port client, are facing. So firstly, the competition is multifaceted and composing both local and also international players. So locally, port client competes with ports in neighboring countries such as Singapore and for attention for shipping lines and also cargo owners. So internationally, the port contends with other major hubs across the globe. So each other are striving to attract vessels, cargo, and also logistical investments. So the next one will be the intention competition as far-reaching implications for port clients' market share and also pricing structure and overall appeal to shipping companies. So the port must continuously innovate and also adapt their services to remain like the preferred choice for their maritime stakeholder. Factors such as efficiency in cargo handling, seamless connectivity with hinterland transportation networks, and also the provision of the value-added services become pivotal in the battle of supremacy. That's all.
Okay, then about the future of Port Clang. The Port Clang in shipping management is likely to be influenced by several factors with advancement in technology, automation, and digitalization are expected to play a significant role in optimizing port operations, improving efficiency, and reducing turnaround times. Port Klang's strategic location in the region is an advantage, and ongoing infrastructure developments can further enhance its capacity and capabilities. Investment in state-of-the-art container terminals, logistic facilities, and connectivity will be crucial for staying competitive. And then, you know, environmental sustainability is another key consideration. Ports worldwide are increasingly adopting green practices and cleaner technologies. Port Klang may need to adopt these trends, incorporating eco-friendly measures to reduce its environmental impact. Global trade by dynamics and geopolitical factors can also shape the future of shipping management. Economic shifts, trade agreements, and emerging markets will influence shipping routes and volume, impacting the role and significance of Port Klang in the global supply chain. In summary, the future of Port Klang in shipping management will likely depend on its ability to embrace technological advancement and enhance infrastructure, address environmental concerns, and adapt to evolving global trade dynamics. Thank you.
So for our ideal port, we choose Carey Island. Carey Island, off the coast of Selangor, Malaysia, presents a good opportunity for completely alter the country's logistic system. This advantageous position offer a one-of-a-kind chance to unleash unmatched potential in marine trade because it is bordered by important shipping lanes and enhanced by existing infrastructure. Carey Island is located in a strategical location near the Malacca Straits, which is one of the busiest and most important shipping lanes in the world. Because of its close proximity to important trade routes, it can be used as a gateway to facilitate economical and effective logistical operation that links Asia's expanding markets. That's all from me, and thank you.
Okay, so now I'm going to talk about Carey Island Port. Carey Island Port service provide. So Carey Island Port has seamless vessel operation, including timely breathing, mooring, and departure of ships. This involves efficient coordination with ship agents, pilot, and tugboat operator to ensure safe and smooth navigation within the port. Carey Island Port prioritize security and safety measures to protect personal vessels and cargo. This include implementing robust security protocols, civilization system, and fire safety measure. Regular safety drills and training programs should be included conduct to ensure preparedness for emergencies. Okay, that's all for me. Next.
For the next one, which is Carey Island Port, which is given the emphasis on sustainability. The Carey Island Port might have technologies for monitoring and mitigating environmental impacts such as sensors for air and water quality. The modern ports like Carey Island Port prioritize their security, employ technology like surveillance cameras, access control systems, and perhaps even biometric identification for restricted areas. Dedicated zones for customs clearance, inspection, and compliance checks to facilitate smooth import and export procedures. Integration with road and rail networks for seamless transportation of cargo and from the port to ensure the efficient connectivity with the hinterland. That's all from me.
Challenges that Carey Island are facing is the first one will be balancing development and conservation. So as we can see, Carey Island experience economic growth and also infrastructure development. In finding a delicate equilibrium between process and also environmental preservation become as a paramount, and also unplanned urbanations and also insufficient infrastructure can lead to challenges in housing, transportation, and also waste management. So by this, striking a balance between development goals and also ecological sustainability requires a careful planning, robust policy, and also community engagement. So the next one will be water management and also resource depletion. So which is similarly a sustainable use of natural resources, including fishing and also fostering, is a crucial to prevent resources depletion or exploitation. So by this can have several consequence for both environment and also life livelihoods of the local population. And also we can see for Carey Island, boost unique biodiversity, including endangered species. So by these conservation efforts must address to the preservation of these habitats and also protection of islands' rich biological diversity. So controlling population, be it air, water, or soil, is imperative. So sustainable waste disposal methods and population mitigation strategies are essential components of comprehensive environmental management plan. So in conclusion, Carey Island stands a crossroads where sustainable development and environmental stewardship must converge. Addressing these challenges necessitates a multifaceted approach involving government agency, local communities, and also environmental organizations and also businesses. Thank you.
So as you can see, this is the carry pot layout. There are like 5 processes, which is 3 is the seaside operation and 2 are landside operations. The number 1 process will be the arrival of the vessel to unload plants made by the quad crane. Then second will be containers will be transported to the ARMG crane using horizontal transporter. And the third ARMG crane will stack the containers. And fourth, inter-terminal transport based on the shortage of their things. And the fifth, truck and rails operations. They will bring the things out. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.